Today we're going to look at the Husqvarna weed eater. The basic complaint was that it just doesn't work. I took some, I did some compression testing and it looks okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start taking it apart and see what's going on. So I'm going to start from the air filter. Not totally clean, but still usable. Now with an 8mm socket wrench, we take the enclosure out and we can take a look at the carburetor. So the carburetor looks clean, and here you can see the throttle cable looks like it is working. The pump is looking good, flexible. So let's take everything out and see what's going on. For some reason this looks like it's a little bit too tight. Okay, so it took a little bit more force than I thought it would. Now I'm going to disconnect the Z attachment for the throttle. Then the carburetor should go right out. And it does. It's a little gooey, but that's normal. Now let's look at the throttle. Yeah, the throttle does look to be working fine. The pump seems okay. And let's take the throttle. Let's look here. Yeah, everything looks okay. Could be dirty. We will check it in a minute. What I want to do now is I want to take a look inside the cylinder and right over here, and then we can move it and see if there's something significant there. The cylinder looks okay. Yeah. So first thing is we're going to take apart the carburetor and see what's going on there. Yeah, the gasket is not so good, but should be okay. Now we're going to take apart the chamber. Okay, this is the membrane. The membrane still looks flexible. And here is the valve. And easy to check the valve. It looks like the carburetor is blocked. Okay, let's continue to open it. It looks fairly clean. Ah, but here I see something. Yeah, see that dirt? This should not be here. Okay, now let's try again. Okay, now I can hear something. Yeah, so this is okay now, it's open. Now it goes like that. This is blocked, so the return look blocked. Oh, something just popped out. Okay, I need to remove the gasket, but the problem with that, if I remove it, usually cannot put it back. So we will need to get a new gasket. Maybe we get lucky. Maybe. Just a little bit piece here. Okay, let's see now. That should go to here and then to here. It's blocked. That's the fuel. That's where the main line of fuel going through. This one seems open. Seems open. This one seems blocked. Okay. See if I can take it out. It has some, I can feel some air go through, but I don't think it's enough. Okay. So the next, this is you can see here the filter. It's a screen that was totally blocked from dirt. And then we get some carburetor clean. You can see a little better the screen here. open. This one seems to work fine. And the throttle seems to work fine. Okay, so we're gonna put it back together. And then see if we can get it to work. Wrong side. Okay, now just take another look at this. The pin, yeah, seems okay, and the membrane is also, it's a little dry, but not too much. Okay, so now we're going to finish the other side of the carburetor. This is what the membrane is, and we checked, and the membrane seems to be quite good. And that's aligned, I believe, like that. Yeah, aligned like that, and with the two screws. One here. Yeah, and essentially the carburetor is ready to go back in to the weed eater, and we will do the fuel tank repair and see if it works.